The restyled Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 stands out as a testament to how subtle modifications can profoundly enhance a motorcycle's aesthetics and performance. This custom build exemplifies the artistry of motorcycle customization, showcasing the transformative power of thoughtful design updates on an iconic model. Originally introduced as a powerful naked bike, the Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 has earned a reputation for its distinctive styling and robust performance. With its muscular V-twin engine and aggressive stance, the Griso 1100 has captured the hearts of enthusiasts seeking a blend of Italian flair and exhilarating riding dynamics. In its restyled form, the Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 retains its core attributes while undergoing subtle yet impactful modifications. Customizers have carefully reimagined the bike's design, incorporating new elements to enhance its visual appeal and refine its performance characteristics. Visually, the restyled Griso 1100 captivates with its updated aesthetics and attention to detail. Custom paint schemes, redesigned bodywork, and bespoke accessories contribute to a refreshed appearance that maintains the Griso's distinctive silhouette while introducing modern design cues. Performance-wise, the restyled Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 benefits from enhanced handling and agility thanks to upgraded suspension components and optimized ergonomics. These modifications not only improve the bike's cornering capabilities but also enhance rider comfort and confidence on various road conditions. Inside the cockpit, the restyled Griso 1100 offers a refined riding experience with updated instrumentation, ergonomic controls, and premium materials. Custom seats and handlebars ensure optimal comfort, while advanced technology integrates seamlessly to enhance connectivity and convenience. Beyond its visual and performance enhancements, the restyled Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 embodies a spirit of individuality and craftsmanship. Each modification reflects the owner's personal taste and vision, resulting in a bespoke motorcycle that stands out in a sea of mass-produced bikes. The craftsmanship and attention to detail evident in the restyled Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 underscore the enduring appeal of custom motorcycles as personalized works of art. From its redesigned body panels to its meticulously tuned engine, every aspect of the Griso reflects a dedication to achieving excellence and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle customization. As enthusiasts and collectors admire the restyled Moto Guzzi Griso 1100, discussions within the motorcycle community focus on its impact on the custom bike scene. With its blend of aesthetic enhancements and performance upgrades, the Griso serves as a testament to the creativity and passion of its builder, inspiring admiration and sparking conversations about the artistry and craftsmanship of custom motorcycles. In conclusion, the restyled Moto Guzzi Griso 1100 demonstrates how simple mods can make a big difference, transforming a beloved model into a personalized masterpiece that exceeds expectations in both form and function. As a celebration of Italian design and engineering prowess, the Griso embodies the joy of riding and the freedom of self-expression on two wheels.